next area is called Fern Gully. During the time of Rainbow Springs Campground, this was the only part of the campground that wasn't open to campers. This was Jensina's little private retreat. This very warm waterproof fabric. It is also fire retardant. You can light this on fire and it will self-extinguish. So a lot of people will use it for insulation.
Everything else.
Yeah. So, and you can use it to make really warm waterproof gloves.
There you go.
Design grist mill. We built this from the ground up. All the wood, except for the pressure treated stuff, is from here. And the old timers would call this piece right here, this is called the mill race. And it goes down and powers the wheel, which powers everything in this building. And then the water is dumped in the pit, which you see the wheel turning in, and then there's a big pipe that goes back over to the street. We basically borrow the water for about this journey. And I am not the Stay Puft Marshmallow. I am covered in corn flour. So the mills that are in here are granite stone burr mills. And pretty much are only making corn products these days, because the first mill you'll see is for corn, the second one's for wheat. But we can't run them at the same time because of celiac. And then if you run the wheat mill, you've got to clean this building like crazy before you can run the corn. So we'll probably find another facility to make wheat and oat products. So come on in.